How to perform a lead impedance test on a remedē model 1001. How to perform an impedance test. These steps are after initial interrogation of a device. The read impedance icon is available in several locations. However, for the focus of these videos, we will concentrate on a central location, specifically the Tools pull-down menu, positioned at the top left-hand side. Simply click on Tools and proceed to the read impedance. The displayed anode and cathode represent the preset electrode pair. You can opt to select any other desired anode and cathode for testing. Simply choose Read Impedance. Upon completion, select Yes if you wish to repeat the test or No if you have finished. Please note that this is a test patient. A high impedance reading of greater than 2500 ohms is expected. However, if you observe an impedance reading of less than 100 ohms or greater than 2500 ohms, please contact Zoll Respicardia. Additionally, during each visit, it's essential to test all unipolar pairs. To do this, change the anode to a can and the cathode to an electrode. In a left lead, you will have electrodes 1 through 4 and electrodes 1 through 6 for a right lead. Select Read Impedance and repeat this process for electrodes 1 through 4 for a left lead and 1 through 6 for a right lead by changing the cathode to another electrode while keeping the anode as a can. The history box in the right-hand corner will display all impedance readings. These steps outline how to perform an impedance test.